What if I told you I gave 3 attempts of NEET, cleared JEE, left NIT, and failed by just 1 marks? I thought my dream was finally over. And then, weeks before my NEET result, they announced re-NEET. I had doubts whether MBBS is written in my fate or not. But this is my story. 2024 was my first attempt. I scored around 555. Today, it might sound decent, but that year, my state's cutoff closed at 582. I underestimated NEET. I thought 1 year of casual preparation was enough, but it wasn't. Since I was a PCMB student, I had also appeared for JEE and I got NIT Goa. After entering NIT Goa, within just 3 weeks I realized that this NIT was not my dream. I then decided to ask my parents. Initially I expected anger from them, but then instead I got trust from them. They trusted me. I started to prepare for NEET 2025. For the first time, I gave everything. This time, I wasn't just dreaming for any government medical college. I wanted Delhi. When I was going for my papers this time, I was very excited. Like, this was going to be the end of my preparatory phase. I already knew that I have to score about 650 and everything is going to be sorted out. I was well prepared for this. But little did I knew that the paper has got some other plans for me. Bio was easy. I was able to do almost every questions, but chemistry, it was a bit tough and tricky. I had left some questions for round 2 and physics. I panicked in between physics. I was not able to do any more questions further. I thought this was the end of my dream, but I had no idea that the hardest part of my journey hasn't even begun yet. That night, I questioned everything. I even questioned my faith. This year, I stopped chasing perfection. I just wanted a government seat. For the first time, I wasn't preparing with fear and pressure. Also, this time I had a plan B. I gave JEE again this year and scored 97.7 percentile. And finally, I could breathe. And finally, it was my NEET day, 3rd May 2026. I started with biology, then moved on to chemistry, and then physics. This time, I attempted around 664 marks. When I came back home, the first thing I did was to match my answers with the answer key, obviously. This time, I was getting around 614 marks, 614 marks. I thought this journey of mine was finally over. Now we are all again back to zero. 1 month of hustle starts again. Back to solving papers, analysis, and revision again. And finally, it was the day of 21st June 2026. बायो करने के बाद तो भाई ऐसा लग रहा था कि 720 अपने ही हैं. फिर केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ा तो लगा हे भगवान 600 प्लस दिला दे. फिर फिजिक्स. I started panicking again. Then I remembered something. I didn't have to solve everything. I just have to solve what I know. I still don't know what my result will be, but this journey has changed me a lot. If you're taking a drop here, don't compare your journey with mine because everyone has a different journey. Just give your best.